Okay, everybody, so after you've finished your video, you're gonna wanna share it. So you're gonna go up here to the share box, upper right-hand corner. You're gonna do two things. First, you're gonna press save to your camera roll. Yes, allow access to photos, looks great. Okay, the way you can check is you can go to your photos. And then here is what I just saved. Okay, let's go back to Spark Video. So that's one thing. The other option, or the other thing you need to do is, again, hit the share button and go copy link to clipboard. Then you're going to copy link to clipboard. Okay, I'd already done this, so that's why I said there was an error. And then, okay, there it goes. The link has been copied to clipboard, press OK. Now, you're gonna go to Schoology. Day 11, share your presentation link here. It's gonna open up this document, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna find your name and you're gonna paste that link, okay? Once you're done, you go in the upper left-hand corner and press the check mark, and there we have it, okay? That's how you share. You have to do two things, the camera roll, and then also here.